So welcome back to Content Meta, where we do more than just keep you up with entertainment news, we'll also help you diversify your education. So please leave a like if this presentation helps, it really helps. So this is going to be a tutorial on how to zoom in and out. My version that I am currently using right now is renders. This is a 14.0 with the 18 build. Now, you more than likely are going to have something close to those specifications in order for you to follow along with this video. So I have my clip selected. I'm going to put it onto the timeline like so. And this right here, I try to make sure it's just a little bit off from the edge. Now, I'll come over here. I'm going to cut my clip, right? I'm going to select the cutting tool and just clip it, right? So now we just have the portion that we want to work with, right? Select the clip, come up here to position and scale. Click both of those. And these two dots will appear. So now I'm going to catch the very last edge or frame of this clip. So when those new two dots appear, right? Once we have that done, you want to come to the beginning of the clip and catch that as well. Now I like to get rid of the borders right here on this. So I'm going to select that number. And once we have that selected, we want to also hit both of these. It's very key in the sense that you play with both of those at least to the point where you create the two dots that's going to appear on your timeline. If you don't have those two dots already appearing on your timeline, your zoom will not work. I don't know why it is, but it just is. And just quickly, before I forget, to the left is decrease and the right is increase. So that's first one's going to be horizontal, and the right number represents your vertical values, increases up and down. Now come over here, I'm going to select the edge of my clip. Now always make sure I catch the last frame on this, right? Go back real quick. Because what we're going to do here, we're going to put in the value that's going to be the limit to our zoom. Right? Punch that in, and now you have your zoomed out effect at the edge of the clip. So once both position and scale have been selected, and you play with both of the properties of those two numbers, that's the only way that clip is going to activate for your zoom. It's going to be a very smooth zoom, like so. Again, changing the end value determines its position. Again, please subscribe. We do tutorials like this from time to time, so all questions, please leave in the comments below. Until then, see you then.